The question is, definition of language L with alphabet A is given as follows: length of a की power n k, where k is greater than 0 and n is a positive integer constant, and we have to find out the minimum number of states needed in DFA to recognize this language L. So to solve such questions, we take different values of n and k, and since here n is a positive integer constant, so we will keep the value of n as fixed, and then we will vary the values of k. So when n equals to 1 and k is 1, our string will be a. When k is 2, our string will be 2a. When our k is 3, string will be 3a. And to recognize these strings, the DFA will be like this. So this is our minimum length string. A is the minimum length string. So to recognize this single A, we require 2 states. Now, after this single A, you can accept any number of times A. So self loop will be there. So here the number of states is 2. Now when the value of n is 2 and k is 1, string will be 2a. When k is 2, string will be a की power 4. It means 4 times a. When k is 3, 6 times a can be accepted. So the minimum length string is 2 times a. So it will be like this. After this, it can accept 4 times a. So transition will go here: 1a, 2a, 3a and 4a. So here the number of states is 3. Now when the value of n is 3 and k is 1, our string will be a की power 3. When k is 2, string will be a की power 6. When k is 3, string will be a की power 9. To recognize these strings, our DFA will be like this. (3a) and after that 6 times a. So transition will go here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total number of states is 4. So here you can see that you can't establish any relationship between number of states and the values of k, as the value of k is varying. So it means we can discard the option A and D. Now, when n is 1, number of state is 2. When n is 2, number of state is 3. When n is 3, number of state is 4. It means a number of states is 1 greater than the value of n. So correct answer will be B. Next question is, consider the regular language LA with input alphabets A and B in which count of A and B are odd, and we have to find out the minimum number of states in DFA corresponding to this language LA. So by considering the odd and even cases of A and B, there are 4 possibilities. First case is when they both are even. Second case is when number of A is even but number of B is odd, or when number of A is odd, number of B is even, or when they both are odd. So 4 states will be there. 4 states will be there, so our answer will be A. But we will see how to create a DFA corresponding to this language. And this will be our final state because we have to identify the odd number of A and odd number of B. So how we will define the transition? When I am defining a transition from this state to this state, just check which is changing. Even A is here, even A is here. It means you don't have to define the transition of A from this state to this state. You just have to define the transition of B. Again the same rule will be applied here. You have to define the transition of B. Now from this state to this state, what is changing? Even A, odd A. So you have to define the transition of A here. Here odd A, they are same. So we have to define the transition of B only. So it will accept B. Here what is changing? This odd B, they are same. So even is changing. So even A, odd A. So it will define the transition of A only. Now we can take any string and then we can check. For example, both should be odd. So first we will check AB. So AB, A, B. Yes, it is accepting. Next state is double A, double B. So we should not reach at the final state because this string is not a part of our language. So double A, double B. A, B, B. Yes, we are not reaching at the final state. It means this DFA is correct. We will take one more string where they both are odd. AB, AB. A, B, A, B, A, B. Yes, we are reaching at the final state. This string is also accepted. Another string can be triple A, B, B. This string should not be accepted. So we will check it. Triple A, 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 then B and then B. So देखिए यहाँ पर क्या था? Odd A, even B. So this is my odd A, even B. It means this is our correct DFA. So minimum number of states will be 4. Correct answer is A. Next question is, let L be the set of all binary strings whose last two symbols are same. So since binary strings are given, it means our input symbols will be 0 and 1. The number of states in the minimal state deterministic finite automata accepting the language is. So last two symbols are same. So we will divide this question into two parts. So in the first part, when the last two symbols are 0, the second part is where last two symbols are 1. So possible strings will be 0 0, 1 1, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, on 1 1 0 0, or 0 1 0 0, 1 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1, and so on. So first we will create a finite automata for where last two symbols are 0 0. So here last two symbols are 0 0, and in the second part last two symbols will be 1 1. Now this string is accepted, this is also accepted. Now to make it a DFA, we have to define the transition of 1 from this state. So if I'll apply this self loop here, what will happen? It can accept 0 1 0. It means I can't define it. So what we can do is we send the transition of 1 to here. So what will happen in that case? It will accept 0 1 1, 0 1 1. So last two symbols will be same. So this transition will be defined here. Same, when I have to define the transition of 0 from this state, it will be defined here. So in that case, it can accept 1 0 0, 1 0 0. How? 1 0 and 0. So in that case, last two symbols will be same. Now I have to define the transition of 0 from here and 1 from here. So I can apply the self loop because at the end you can take any number of times, you will always end with the same symbol. Same, I will can apply the self loop of 1 here, because in that case it will always end with the same symbol 1. Last two symbols will be 1. Now when I have to define the transition of 1 from this state, so in that case this transition will be defined here and transition of 0 will be defined here. Now see what will happen if you define the transition of 1 to here. So in that case it can accept 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. So last two symbols will be different. So in that case, that's why we can't define this transition. So this will be our final DFA. So how many states will be required? 5 states. So correct answer is B. Our next question is, how many minimum states are required in a DFA to find whether a given binary string has odd number of zeros or not, and there can be any number of ones. So our possible strings can be single zero. Since there is no restriction on 1, I can take 0 times 1 as well. Single 0 can be there, 0 1 can be there, or 1 0 can be there, 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 can be there, 5 times 0, 7 times 0, 5 times 0 1, or 1 5 times 0, 0 1 0 0 0, and so on. So first we construct a finite automata for this minimum length string, which is 0 here. So it will accept 1 times 0. After that 3 times 0 should be accepted. So the transition will be defined here: 1 times 0, second time 0, and third time 0, and you will reach to the final state. And since there is no restriction on 1, so we can apply the self loop here. So when you are reaching at the final state, it means you have odd number of zeros in your string. Odd number of zeros in the string. So how many states will be required? 2 states. So correct answer is B.